Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today we are going to be doing this wig. And
he want my number, had to hit him with. Like I'm nasty, bad bitch.
not me trying to lose it talks, but anyways, we are going to be installing this wig from UNice Hair company. You guys know I love them. So this wig is 26 inches, 180% density, HD lace, and it is beautiful for the girls. Okay, so y'all know all the goodies that usually come in the bag. The ones that I usually use is like tweezers and the bald caps or whatever, but I'm just giving y'all a show of what the wig looked like before I installed it, because your girl is ready to go. So I've been wearing straight hair a lot lately to the point where I kind of got tired of it. So in this video, I decided to go ahead and add some layers. Y'all know the Instagram layers that's been going around, been popping. So I was like, okay, let's definitely go and try this. I'm not going to talk much throughout this video simply because you guys see me do this bald cap and, you know, glue and all that stuff numerous of times. But today we're going to be definitely focusing more so on the layers. So y'all should just keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna talk a little bit. So there is this wig. It's like blonde and like a maybe like I don't know, like a light auburn orange or whatever. I don't know, but it is super duper video really super beautiful. So I think I'm going to recreate that look next month. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should try, y'all please don't say nothing that's super out of my comfort zone, because your girl is not ready. I am not ready to go way out of my comfort zone. I like, you know, more natural installs. But anyways, I'm going to be trying to I'm going to try to step out of my comfort zone a little bit more often. So if you guys don't see it on me, you'll probably see it on like a client of mine or something. But I just want to drop these videos. I need you guys to come back. I need y'all to show love. So if you are this far in this video, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? If you like the install, the layers, whatever, just give the video a thumbs up. So now I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the lace, do the baby hairs, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on these layers. Y'all know I had to insert some snippets of my TikTok video. If you are not following me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok at Cra'Deja, Cra'Deja. Follow me. I just started, so yeah, follow me. So I kind of got like a weird hairline a little bit, to the point where I have to shift the wigs over a little bit, because the way that they make the wigs, it don't fit my hairline perfectly. So that's why I'm cutting out a pretty big chunk of the hair in the front, but I'm definitely going to go back in and pluck the wig so that it can look flawless, natural, and yeah, you guys know. So now it's like matching my hairline perfectly. And that's exactly what you want. Yes, girl, go in and pluck that wig. We don't need all that harshness, density at the front of the hairline. No. So now I'm just going to go ahead and mold this hair, and you guys have saw me do this 1,000 times. So I pretty much fast forward this whole part of me styling the hair simply because it's the same stuff I do all the time. Not the face, honey. That's one thing that I really do miss about wearing masks. Well, I mean, in my suite. I just really miss wearing them because, or something. I mean, majority of the time I still wear them, but not when I'm doing my own hair. It's just, I be making faces when I'm doing hair. Like, I be so focused. So, I don't know. It's just annoying because I know I be looking crazy. I never really do this, but I don't know why I just started doing this. Like, I feel like it helped, but I feel like it don't at the same time. So, I don't know. I'm going to keep doing it and just see if I keep using it or retire. But this part, y'all, okay. So, I really tried to get some footage of me cutting baby hairs, doing baby hairs on camera, but I butchered it. Like, just look. I cut them too short. So I was like, oh, see, yeah, they're not gonna, yeah, you guys are not gonna be able to get that on camera. Again, at least without, you know, having another person in the suite with me. So as you can see, I do have I do have on my The Melt melting band. You guys can go on my website at www.themeltx.com and purchase you a bonnet or band. I do have wigs on there, but I'm going to drop some more content on there soon. So definitely stay tuned for that because I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. I'm digging this. So this will also, this style wig will also be a part of my wig collection. So stay tuned for that. You guys see, I am now cutting the layers of the wig. So basically what you do is you want to hold the wig tight. And I like to start right up under my chin. So I kind of pull the hair kind of by my chin. And that is where I start creating my layers. The simplest thing is just to think of, just go straight down and just lean the hair backwards a little bit as you're doing it. Because you want to lean the hair backwards because you're going to curl towards you. So that's going to create that, like, that layered look like it's coming into your face. So you guys will be able to see in this next clip, yep, this right here, how you're just going down and across. And you just want to make sure that all of the layers are lined up with one another. And like I said, you're gonna curl inwards towards you instead of down and away. I hope I did a good job explaining that. It's super simple. I mean, it literally takes you like 5, maybe 10 minutes to perfect it, but it is super simple. Just take your time if it's your first time doing it, and just, you know, really watch what you're doing. But I was getting into it. I didn't expect this wig. I didn't remember this wig being this long, but pretty much here is the final look. I did go home and add some more layers and cut a little bit more into it, but I mean, I am feeling it. Like, it's nice and it's fun and it's flirty, and I don't know, I was just really feeling this. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Love you guys. Peace.